What kind of respectable text editor would Vim be if it didn't have the use of tabs in it? None at all. Even though it's a million years old, it still has to be competitive with the stuff that's out on the market today in order for you to use it, right? Just because it's old won't make you cool in and of itself. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So if we go into the terminal, that's what that thing's called. And if we look and see what all is inside just this file, we have file2.txt, keystrokes, and this videos folder.
Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
Never mind that one. So if we open up keystrokes.txt, you'll see here's a list of basically everything that you will need to know for now. You can just plop these into your vimrc in order to make them work. Now, the main thing to know, if you already know about key remappings and stuff, is from here, this tab new thing is what will make, well, a new tab. You can see tab next will actually cycle to the next tab there, kind of like pressing Control Tab or something like that when you're inside, say, Firefox or Chrome to cycle to the next tab. Tab previous will go to the one before, of course. And there are these two other ones, tab first and tab last. Looks like it says tab last, but that would be cool. So tab last, and these will jump to the first one that you have open and the last one, respectively. I'm sure me yammering about this isn't going to help you at all, so why don't we just show you how it works. All right, so I already have these ka-chunked into my vimrc, but so if I hit TN, for instance, you see down at the bottom, it says tab new, and it's waiting for me to enter something. If I just leave this blank, you'll see that a new tab opens up. And you see that no name is there at the top because there's nothing. It's just an empty buffer, and we can type stuff. That's cool. It's not saved or anything like that. Now I can hit TJ to go back using this tab previous command there. And we can go again, tab new if we want to, and then if we supply the name of a file, it will open it up. We can put in a file that doesn't exist yet, so if I want to make something new.txt, I guess, it'll make this new buffer here. You can type stuff, all of that, and then you can finally save it when you write it. And if we go back to the terminal, you see that file, something new.txt is there. All right. Going back, one more thing then, if we hit tab new, and then we supply something that already exists, and there's tab completion, by the way, you can look at it. So you can hit tab a couple of times and see what all's there, like file 2, whatever. Or if we start to type fi and then put it, boom, it's done, and file 2 is there. It says this is file 2, because it doesn't have a lot of personality nor many friends. One last thing, you can hit tab first to go to the very first one, as you know, and tab last to go to the last one that's there. So it's pretty simple. You can mess around with these. Put them on key remappings, please. Oh my God, because really, who wants to go and type in tab next every single time you want to? That's stupid. Another thing you might want to know is that Vim does have regular functionality for moving through tabs, but that is it's a little bit slow. In my opinion. You can hit GT to go to the next one, and G capital T to go to the previous one. But really, that you're using your index finger twice, GT, GT, G shift T, G shift T, and it's really long and it's tiresome. So I like having it on two different hands, so you can go really fast, going where you need to go.